For our first decoration, we're going to take paper in 7 different colors and we'll cut it in half. We'll take one side of the half and we'll turn it like this, and then we are going to fold it in half. Fold it till half again and fold it again one more time. After we have done that, we'll take scissors and we'll just go over the fold line like this. We will open it up, and on these fold lines we will make zigzag folds. After we have made the zigzag folds, we'll fold it over in half and we will apply glue here. We'll fold it over again and close it like this, and we have made this, and we will make one more piece like this. After having done that, we will put glue on one side here and we'll paste our second piece on it. Like this, we will make decoration fans in yellow, blue, green, orange, red, pink and purple. We will open each fan up like this. Put some glue here on the edge, and like this, we are going to put it inside and paste it here. That's the same that we are going to do on all the other pieces, and like this we are going to attach all the other pieces. For this second garland, we'll be taking paper. I have here half of an A4 size paper in red color. We're going to take this and fold it the same way as we folded our previous papers for the previous garland. So we will make zigzag folds in this as well. After making the zigzag fold, we will fold it in half. Apply glue here and we have made one like this, one piece like this. Like this, we are going to make many different colors, many different pieces, depending on the space that you wish to decorate. We'll take this two here, take one piece, single piece paper that we have here, just take one piece, take a stapler and we will staple it here. And we will continue to staple all the other pieces and all the other colors the same way. We have one piece for beneath, one for above, one for beneath. The next one will be for above again. And the same way we will continue and complete this garland. I have here two small pieces, and the size of each piece is 10 by 15 centimeters, and I also made strips, 4 strips of 1 by 10 centimeter. We will take a strip, put glue on it, and paste this far above. We will take another strip, put glue on it, and paste this one on the bottom. This is one piece. I'll be doing the same with this piece as well. After we have made these two pieces like this, we will fold it in half. Fold it in half again, and then one more time. And like we previously did with all the others, we'll open this up and we will make zigzag folds in this. We will go over it with the scissors so that the corners and the folds become beautiful, and that's the same that we are going to do with this piece as well. We will fold both in half, apply glue on it, and press it, and that's the same that we are going to do with this one as well. After putting glue on it, we'll put some glue on this side as well and paste these two pieces together. After we have done that, we'll open this up and put this aside. I have here a small piece of paper of 8 by 4 centimeters, and we will cut in this a small flame. We'll cut here in the shape of a small flame, like this. We will put glue on one side here, on this part, and we will paste this here in the middle. This is one piece. Like this we will be making other colors like a red, green, purple, pink, blue, and a yellow. But on the yellow we will not put a yellow color flame, and we will not put a yellow color border. We will put an orange color flame and an orange color border. After we have done that, we will put glue here, and we will paste one color here, and like this we will complete our entire garland and join all these diyas together. Let me know which design you like the most. Is it the first, the second, or the third? Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many more other decorations, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button and subscribe.